Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 stuck on loading screen easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just click here and then type Windows Update Settings, and after that click check for updates, and now just close this one, and if you find any update here, just install it, and then go to Startup Apps, and once you're here, make sure to turn off all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC. And now restart your PC, and after starting your PC, open Task Manager and then click Memory to see applications that takes your memory like Google Chrome. Right click and end all applications that you don't need it. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.